Hi guys, this is Mabel from M.E Decor and Event Planning Services. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 6-petal balloon flower with the 3 closures in the middle using just one balloon. Now in this video you can see I use both a 160 balloon, which is the black one, and a 260 balloon, which is the red one, and I'm only using one balloon to make this balloon flowers. Now in this video you see that I'm using Simpertex balloons. You can use any balloon of your choice, but I use Simpertex balloons because I prefer them, and I'm going to be working with 160 balloons. First thing you do is to pre-stretch your balloon. That way it's easier to twist. So you pre-stretch your balloon, and I like to use the small pump. It is advisable to use the small pump when you are pumping a 160 balloon, so that the pressure of the big pump will not burst the balloons. So when pumping your balloons, the rule of thumb is to leave about 6 to 8 fingers, when pumping, so that way you have enough space when twisting the balloons. Got me below as I head to you, like the river flows, walking slowly in the mountains underneath. So the secret to twisting these balloons is to measure like 3 to 4 fingers, to find the width of the petals. After you get that, you twist it like so, and then you continue the twisting for 6 petals. Now this is a bit tricky. When you're twisting it, make sure you intertwine it. Look at this. So I fold, I twist it, and then I intertwine. If you don't intertwine it, it is going to look weird. So watch again. I twist it, and it will look disjointed if you don't intertwine like that. See that? And then you have to intertwine it. So guys, if you're finding value in this video, I ask that you please like and share my video. I ask that you subscribe to my channel. This encourages me to be able to upload more videos like this. And if you have any video that you would like to see a tutorial for in terms of balloon decorations, just leave a kind comment below and I'll be happy to upload that video. So after you've had your 6 petals, you now go to the remaining part of the balloons and make 4 small loops, 4 small beads, and then you twist only 3 and bring that 3 to the front like so. Now you see how the 3 in front looks like. You can now maneuver your way, use the extension in the back, and you pull it to the front and pull down one of the axes, and that is going to make it to be flat. Just look at how I'm doing it carefully. On a winding road in the dark of night, with the stars aglow, heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you, like the river flows, walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah. Sorry guys, so as I was working with this balloon, the thing unraveled itself, so you have to be very careful when you're bringing the 3 beads to the front. And again, practice makes improvement in this case. So you see I bring the 3 to the front and I use my other hand to hold the 1 bead behind,
and see, carefully bring it to the front like that, and then you use the extension and put it through one of the corners, and it's going to lay flat. If you don't want to do that way, you can even use a hot glue gun and put it down, or you could even use a glue dot and glue it down. But I didn't want to use any glue dot or any hot glue gun, so I just did it like this. I pressed it down, made sure there was no bubble, and I just crossed it over. And there you have it, guys. We have successfully used one balloon to make a beautiful 6-petal flower, balloon flower, and 3 beads closure. This is very easy to make. Leave in a comment below if you were able to make yours and how long it took you to make it. Now whatever you want to do, you can either twist this and pop it and twist it, or you could use it, just wrap it round like I'm wrapping it round, so that you can attach it to the leaf part of this flower. Just watch how I'm going to make the leaf part and connect it. So guys, for this leaf part, again, you're going to pre-stretch your balloons. That way it's easier to pump it and twist it however you want to twist it. And this is a 160 balloon that I'm using. You can use any balloon color of your choice, or you can use any twisting balloon of your choice. You could use a 260 balloon or a 360 balloon, or even this 160 that I'm using for illustration. So you can pump this not all the way to the end. You should leave at least 4 to 8 on pumped side space, and then you tie it and make 3 petals. This time around, when you're twisting your petals, it's the same techniques. When you fold it, you twist it, you have to intertwine it, but you're only going to make 3 petals, and your petals should be larger than the ones that you made for the flowers. So if you're using, say for example, you're using 3 fingers for your flower petal, your leaf petal should be like at least 5 fingers. So that is how I do it, or 4 fingers, but it has to be larger than your flower petal. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So guys, there we have it. We have been successful in using just one balloon to make a beautiful balloon petal, and 3 closures in the middle without having to use more balloons. And then we connect it like so, and voila, we have our beautiful balloon. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and post a comment below if you were able to use this video, if it was helpful to you in any ways, and if you're able to also use my techniques. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.
My soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view, walking slowly